You gotta tell the people what the ingredients are, Dante. What did you put in here this time? It's time to make some changes. Another thing about bubbles, I'm gonna show you guys what my side of the closet looks like. All right, here is the wedding fit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So today I decided I was gonna vlog. Dante is over there being loud, crunching spinach. Anyway, today I decided I was gonna vlog because, let me sit you guys down right here. We have a lot going on today, so I need to clean my closet because it's a hot mess. And Dante is very proud of his side. It looks good. It looks good, babe. You did good. Why are you cutting the apple like that?
Bruh, mine do it. And I swear mine.
Anyway, my side of the closet looks a hot mess, okay? Like, I'm not ashamed of it. I'm not proud of it, but I really hate organizing clothes. Like, I feel like I'm a pretty organized person, okay? Like, you guys have seen my house and my projects, but the closet is just like a pain point for me, especially because we don't have a system in there. And that's not an excuse, but it's my excuse that I'm using. So today I'm gonna tackle that because I need to get rid of a bunch of clothing and just like donate a bunch of things and really just start over, have a clean, fresh slate. So I'm gonna use Dante's side as inspo today. He has everything color coordinated and all that good stuff, so I'll show you guys a little bit later. But right now, Dante is making us some smoothies. What you got over here, chef? You gotta tell the people what the ingredients are, Dante. Okay, you gonna say, okay. Okay, mixed fruit from Publix. What else, babe? Some frozen spinach from Kroger. Chia seeds, that's the key. And what else, babe? Your favorite. So this is the PB Fit peanut butter powder and it's pretty good. I like it. So you can also like make, I feel like you can make like actual peanut butter from this too. You put like water. Have you done that before or no? Okay. Yeah, we just do it in our smoothies, but apparently you can make like peanut butter from it. So very cool. But Dante is like the smoothie king in our household. He makes all the smoothies because apparently my smoothies aren't as good as his, but it's all good. Anyway, Bubbles is outside. We let her roam free, but she's outside probably doing stuff she has no business doing. Another thing about Bubbles, she's currently in heat. If anybody has a pet, you guys know what he is. Comment down below, like the annoyance that you guys get when your dog is in heat. Like, because Bubbles is so annoying. She's so annoying when she's in heat. Like, annoying AF. Anyway, also don't mind the concrete right now. I feel like there is a lot of like millipedes and in just this area right now. I don't know why. So we have pest control coming out probably sometime next week to kind of fix that, because I'm honestly tired of seeing millipedes outside and inside. So pest control is coming to fix that, hopefully. They've already come out once. And you said trash? Oh yeah. Yeah, Duncan's gonna call them raw, but they already came out once and it was just not good. Like, they didn't fix the problem. They just sprayed, something I literally could do. So now I'm like, y'all gotta do more because we're paying y'all a good amount of money. So the woes of being a homeowner, but it is what it is. So now what I'm gonna do is, before I hit the closet, I do need to clean up downstairs. So I'll probably enjoy my smoothie while I clean up and then hit the dreaded closet, because y'all, I'm not feeling that closet, but I know I need to get to it because my shoes, literally my shoes have been in the box that we moved into this house in for a year. We've been in this house for a year. So it's time to make some changes. It took me a year to do it, but it's time to make some changes and just kind of make it a bit more organized and put together and just get rid of stuff that I don't need anymore. Let's do a little smoothie taste test. What did you put in here this time? It kind of tastes different. Is it the fruit? Because we usually do Kroger. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. Because we usually do the Kroger mixed fruit, but I feel like, well, they didn't have it. That's why I didn't get it. So when I was in Publix, I saw the other one and I just got that one. Yeah.
There's more mangoes. I get it too. Right.
Yeah. All right, love you. All right, so Dante is going to wash the cars really quick, and then later today I'll take you guys with me just like a little bit and show you guys, but we're going to a wedding. So I'm super excited because this is our first wedding after being married as a guest, and I'm excited. I don't know, I love celebrating love. I love all that. So it should be fun, and we have like other weddings too that's coming up this year. One that I'm actually in, I'm the matron of honor for one of the weddings, and then the other wedding is one of my good friends, and so we're kind of ending the year off with her wedding, so it's gonna be a good time. Like, I genuinely love weddings. Anyway, let me stop avoiding my responsibilities because we do, like my husband said, we need to leave at like 5-ish, so I need to get my life together. That means I don't really have that much time to really get it together, so I'm gonna just clean up real quick and then I'll see you guys upstairs to show you the closet. All right, so I'm upstairs now by the closet. I have to finish this like in an hour and 30 minutes. So I'm gonna show you guys what my side of the closet looks like. First, I'm gonna start with the good side. I have the ring light there because I'm gonna actually record from this angle so you guys can see me organize all of this. Yeah, and my shoes are on the ground right now. I promise you I was not living like this. It was in this box. Literally, imagine all these shoes just really living in this box, and I would just come out and pick the shoes I need, okay? The reality was this is how I was living for about a year, okay? Because I don't have a system in here, it just like, I don't know, it just is uninspiring for me, but it's no excuse, okay? I'm not gonna make excuses anymore a year later. I'm gonna get my life together and actually clean it up. The biggest thing that I was uninspired about is obviously like the shoe placement and just not having a place to really store things clearly. So I think I'm gonna put some shoes on the top rack, just make room for that. And then some of them that I'm not really wearing on the bottom. But I just gotta stop living like this. So I'm showing y'all all my business. Meanwhile, Dante is just so organized. Everything is color coordinated, also coordinated by kind of like events. So he has like formal, like not formal, and just kind of like his athletic wear because he's in athletics. So he's just on the ball. And then there's me, the organizer. Look, I'm not perfect. I'm not claiming to be perfect, okay? Like I said, I take pride in having a very organized and pristine home, but there are some areas in my life that, you know, are not so organized or not so pristine, and the closet is being one of them, okay? Y'all, I don't really love dealing with closets. Like, it's just really not my thing, but I will say I want to be better at it and I want to get this together. So once we rip these shelves out and I design something that I think is a little bit more practical at my speed, it's gonna be so, I feel like, life-changing for us because we can maximize all the vertical space that we have, because I feel like we have really great vertical space that is just not being used. So like all the way up here, like we're not able to use the space for like hanging space or like shoes or whatever. So once we're able to get like some custom closets in here, which I'm gonna probably use IKEA pack system for that because I don't got the time to be paying people to install it for me when me and Dante can do it ourselves. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a good space. So let me just stop stalling. I just need to get into this. Let's get into it, y'all. I'm gonna put everything that I don't want in the box and just probably give everything away to Goodwill. So I don't even know where to start. I'm so overwhelmed. Alright, I'm making really good progress. I'm gonna have to come to a stopping point in a minute. Y'all, tell me your dog is attached to you without telling me she's attached to you. I mean, literally my shadow. Literally, I mean, but she's so cute. I can't help it. I need to just put the shoes up here. So I cleared out all the space, as you guys can see, for the shoes. So I am going to put all the shoes that I decided to keep up here. That way I feel like I can really see what I have and just can quickly grab it. Again, don't really love the solution, of course, but it's the solution that I have for now. Of course, I can get a shoe rack. Let me know down below what shoe racks you guys like that are like not really that expensive. So I may get something like that for like temporary use, but I don't want to get too comfortable in this closet. I kind of want to be a little uncomfortable with where the closet is right now, so it can force me to actually get the closets that I really want. It's crazy when you actually go through your clothing because you realize how much stuff you actually really have. So I was like, okay, I do have a good bit of stuff that honestly, some of this stuff I'm never gonna wear or I need to get rid of. So I feel like I did a good cleanup. Not saying I can't do another round, but I feel good about the cleanup that I did now, and maybe like at the end of the year or something like that, I'll do another round when I get new pieces, because I also like realize there are gaps in the pieces that I need. And so I just really want to kind of redo my wardrobe, if that makes sense, because it's just not really, I don't know, I feel like my wardrobe right now is not really reflective of like who I am right now in my life, and like my style and how I really want to express myself. So I definitely want to get rid of a lot of things over time, but for now I still need clothes. So I'm just keeping some of the base things. Like I feel like some base pieces like this like will never really go out of style for a while, but I just kind of like want to I don't know, just do it up with some of my pieces. Like my jeans, I need more jean options. I need more shirt options, like casual shirt options. Like I'm really lacking on the casual clothing. Not so much of like the going out clothing. I think I'm good there. But the casual clothing is just not giving what it needs to give. So all right, so I am finally done with the closet and I'm so excited how it looks. Like it looks so much better, y'all. I put all the shoes up here instead of how I had like the bins up here before, and then I just pulled all the bins on this side, kind of stored everything tucked away so it's not really like an eyesore when you come in. And just look how organized my side is. This is all of just kind of like my sweaters, coats, kind of winter stuff, and then this is all like the spring stuff, so robes, more like professional stuff, which as you can see is very slim with work from home now. So probably needs to re-up on that just a little bit for just kind of like Zoom meetings and stuff like that. Then I have kind of just like cute little tanks to go out with. I love rompers and like jumpers, so have those. Have cute little casual dresses, skirts, pants, and then some more like going out dresses and all that good stuff. I am super happy, so I need to hurry up and get ready for this wedding that we're about to go to. And yeah. All right, here is the wedding fit. It's a formal wedding, so I decided to wear a dress like this. It is a bit sparkly for my liking, but it's kind of all I had in my closet. And did some gold earrings to go with it, simple makeup, and a little bangle that my best friend got me for my wedding. So cute, little Kate Spade bangle. And yeah. Dante looks very nice as well. He has his jacket over there, so he's gonna wear his like little gray jacket with his nice little suit. I love it, babe. Looking good.
Hey.
All right, bye, Bubbles. I hate leaving her because she'll literally sit on this step and just like sit here But I feel like she'd be like roaming around the house and doing bag doll stuff. So no telling what she does, but she sits here when we're about to leave because she kind of knows we're leaving.
Dante, you want for it?
Yes.
Can I have an 8 count and a cup of water? Okay.
All right, guys, I put my scarf back on so I can lay my edges, but we're in the Chick-fil-A line, and I just realized, I think I said this in the beginning of the vlog, but I just realized this is our first wedding that we've been to since we have been married.
Feel good. Can finally go to a wedding with no pressure about ours.
I know, right? I feel like, I don't know, it's gonna be weird because it's just like now we're married and just seeing like someone else's wedding like play out is gonna be like, I feel like I'm just more hyper aware of things being that we went through our own wedding. I'm excited. I like being a guest because, like I said, being on the other side is a beautiful thing. Obviously, like the reason you're there for the wedding is a beautiful thing in itself, to be married to like the person that you are supposed to spend a lifetime with, but it's stressful throwing a wedding. So I'm excited, and we have 2 more weddings that we're going to this year outside of this one, so 3 total, like I said before in the beginning of the vlog. So I'm excited for that. But we're eating now because we just have not had like a substantial meal the entire day, or at least I haven't. Dante had pizza, but I only had a smoothie, so I need to eat something because I don't think I can make it to dinner. Alright, good morning, guys. The wedding last night was so long. It ended like past midnight and we got home like at 1. So we're just now getting up and recovering from that. Also too, I am about to watch our wedding video that our videographer sent us. So I'll probably post our reaction on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not, so you guys can see the reaction and also see like our wedding video, which I'm excited about. So our videographer wants us to record our reaction, and so me and Dante just woke up and we're about to go downstairs and look at the video. I'm so excited because we got it last night and it took all of me not to watch the video. So make sure you tune in for that.